I saw we're down the beach, Seaburn. There's a lot of fucking youngins over there. They're called Mayhem, they've been there all day. Aye, so at Seaburn Beach. Probably can't hear us, but aye. Parked at Morrison's. We do park there about 3 hours to park there, free parking. But looking a bit rough for the deal and tired. Right, couple of mile walk for a couple of hours. See what happens. Nothing's gonna happen, like it's just a bit of a boring one, but I thought come along with us. Right, I ain't getting wet today. Well, nothing he's got out to do with it. Hi, lovely day. First one, bank holiday weekend. Well, bank holiday's finished, it's Tuesday now. But we're going to take a walk up to there, walk back down, get onto near the beach, other beach, well past the pier, probably walk into the marina, come back for a rocker park and head back. Should be a canny little one, hopefully get some scran. But aye. Got it. Yep. Turn back round now, head back down the beach. Walk on the promenade. Across I think it's a bit of a high tide, so we'll have to walk along Mix. I think you call it Mix Lighthouse, the white lighthouse in the distance there, on the path road. Got to walk back down onto the, I think that's Rocker Beach actually. So back along Rocker Beach. And might see if I can get some scran. Well, I've noticed today it's been a very busy day. The fucking mountain of shite that's on the beach today. Never seen it that bad ever. Look at just fucking, can't even blame the owners because look at this fucking bags of dog shit. Fucking terrible. Absolutely. Dog treats. Fucking bullshit. Pick your shit up after days, will you? No, that's probably not the main name, maybe those would I? Dirty bastards. How many fucking balls he's got. Isn't it? How many balls you've got, son? Gone, they're gone, they're gone. Black's Corner, if you haven't been, go. I've noticed one of the window. Right. Hello. As we approach the famous cat and dog steps, I wouldn't get across there either. Looks like we're going doing them. Didn't think we'd get across. But I've gone in the cat and dog steps. The cat and dog steps are named apparently because years and years ago, the people used to get rid of them cats and dogs. While they're doing there, used to get whirled up in the fucking water. Yeah, aye. Cat and dog steps for you. Horrible bastards. But people were fucking horrible back in them days. Right up straight up there. You got St Andrew's Church, beautiful church. That's a lovely church. You've got St Peter's far back there, where as the river here goes in. One of the oldest churches in the northeast. Not the oldest, I believe the oldest in the northeast in Bishop Auckland. Lovely one. Keep me to date someday, but I forget. Life you didn't know now. I like a good old church. Not that I'm religious or anything. Just think they're cool. They're doing the cat and dog steps. Head back along the beach. I don't know if we're going to go there. Well, probably will go to the marina. Kill a bit of time. Back along the marina. Then come back on ourselves. Come back along the promenade. Up to through Roker Park and back along the Morrison's. Right, I don't think I'm going to get any food. But never say never. Everyone's just fucking too busy to be quite honest. Right, hit me in a bit. See you back on the beach. That's cat and dog steps for you. Aye. At this beach. Towards Elephant Rock. That's a big rock sticking out, Elephant Rock. Or it looks like an elephant. Make your minds up on that one. And rock up here there. Little red and white foot of shade. Here. I'm only joking. I love Sunderland really. Well, I love this area. The Roker Riviera. I don't know if you've heard me say that before. Right, this little bastard's pulling on me arm like a fucking mad fuck. Ciao. On the beach. The ball, the ball. Yep, the fucking sand up. Looking at? What are you looking at? Hi, welcome back. Back to the channel, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. I'm at the Roker Beach, Seaburn Beach, Whitburn, whatever you want to call it. Macamland Beach, the Roker Riviera, whatever you want to call it. On the beach. Right, beautiful. Nice little walk. Come and join us today. Come with me, northeast. The new place to be. Well, it is. Right, come and enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. Ciao for now. Just knew he was gonna fucking roll a dog. He's covered in fucking sand. He's a little fucking mutt. That was a lovely one, really. Lovely. Right, so that's Roker Park up there. Elephant Rock. Look up here. Do you want any on these? Emmy's coffee pod. Surprisingly nice coffee. And a new place down here, Elephant Rock. Didn't realise what it was called that as well. Right. I think it's open, eh? Right, Granny Annie's. No beer of the day for me. Absolutely, definitely not. I was going to go that way, but there's normally loads of fishermen and I get a bit paranoid because they leave hooks and things and I wouldn't like to pull a fisherman's hook out of him. So back through here, straight to the harbour. We approach the marina, third best marina in Tainawea. Rank number 1 is Royal Keys, and number 2 St. Peter's, and this is probably number 3. But a lot of places have got more choice, pubs, more food places. This has only got the Snow Goose. I believe there's a pub up there somewhere, but it's not very inviting. But it's all it needs is a pub to go and sit and have a pint. Not that I'm having a pint because I'm not drinking for a couple of days. So that's the crack. Ooh, big doggy. Top floor, will you can see that one on the one there, right? The yellow, orange one. It's kind of knocking the old Spanish Archer on there, the old elbow. But I think we're going to head up them steps. What do you think?
That's a good idea.
Well, there's only so much water you can do, so head up these dancers and head back up onto the main road. Camera's opposite way. Steps. 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 Midges. Thick. I believe there's something, I keep forgetting what it is, some kind of tree behind there somewhere. Fuck. Just fucking over. I believe there's some kind of tree that's preserved in there somewhere. I forget what it's called, honestly. My memory is kaput. Right, maybe from a pub. And St. Peter's is all the way along there. Can't eat pipe. You won't fancy a pipe? Where? Desperado. Some dodgy out dealings went on in there. Open and all, innit? Locked, not locked. Last time I was doing it, I seen a big fucking longtail running in front of us. Molly, has anyone else got a fucking dog? That fucking goes down your one end, then goes behind you and then comes back the fucking other way. And twists your fucking arm around and you've got to do it with your fucking hand over your arm. No, sorry. Okay, trying to tackle it and run up them steps. And what the days, wait with my knees back together and I can run up onto the top. nights up, these things happen. The Harbour View shop, headed to Rota. Fantastic. Fantastic. And this video today is sponsored by Happy Shopper Orange Sports Isotonic Drink. Thank you. Change of plan again. Come the straight way back. Something today, something changed. I was going to go through Rocker Park, but we're going to turn right at the end here and just head straight back along. Keep this little bastard away from the sea so you can't see it once I go back on it. Aye. Rocker Park? Rocker Park Road. Rocker Park? Rocker Park Road. We just once again play on that in the model railway, just sit on it, we class that. The whiz run it. A mini roller coaster could be. But model chain group, whatever you want to call it. St Andrew's fantastic church. What a beauty. If you want to know more about it, Google it. Lovely. Right, so that's it. Calling this a day on this video. So if you've liked it, not much to like really, is it? Just a bit of a shitty work. But you might enjoy it if you do. Give it the old thumbs up. And ciao from Ollie. And ciao from me. Pip.